In this video, we will guide you through the process of turning off your iPhone using AssistiveTouch. Our easy-to-follow steps will ensure that you can shut down your device without pressing the button hassle-free. So, grab your iPhone and let's get started with this simple tutorial. At first, we should ensure that we already create a shortcut for turn off our iPhone. To create a shortcut, we open the shortcut menu at our iPhone. As you can see, there's no shortcut yet. To create a new shortcut, we tap on the plus icon on the top right corner of your screen. We tap on it, and then we tap a new shortcut at the top of your screen. Then we can rename our shortcut. Tap on rename, then we can typing our shortcut. For example, I'm going to name my shortcut is turn off. Then after I finish type my name of the shortcut, I tap down on the keyboard. Then I tap again on the turn off here. We can choose the icon. We tap on the choose icon, and then for example the color red because I'm going to make a turn off shortcut. After I pick the color, I also can pick the icon for my shortcut. For example, I looking for the group keyboard. This is the keyboard. There's a turning on and turning off icon. I select this, then after I select, I tap done. As you can see, the icon and the color is already set based on our choice. Then we tap on add action. After that, on the searching here, searching bar, we type URL. After that, I will give you a link. The link, I will post it on my description box on this video. We open the link. This is the link. I tap on the link and hold this. After that, I'll copy this. I tap copy, then I back again, and I will paste my link on this bar. I tap and hold, and then I paste. After we copy paste the link, we tap on open URLs here. Then after I already tap open URLs, we tap done. Then we can see we have a new shortcut named turn off. Then we back to AssistiveTouch. To open the AssistiveTouch menu, we go to the settings. After we go to the setting, we select the accessibility. After we select the accessibility, we select touch. Then after we tap on touch, we can find the AssistiveTouch here is still off. So we should turn it on by tap on it. Then we toggle on the AssistiveTouch slider. After we toggle on the AssistiveTouch slider, we already have the AssistiveTouch on our screen like here. We tap on it. There's no menu yet. To make a menu at the AssistiveTouch, we tap on Customize Top Level menu. Then we tap on plus here. Then we tap plus again. Then we scrolling down until we find the shortcut group. Then we can see turn off shortcut that we just made before. After we pick on turn off, then we tap done. We can see on the AssistiveTouch we have a turn off. It's mean from our shortcut. Then we should try it. For example, I'm back to the home screen. When we back on home screen, our AssistiveTouch is still there. Tap on AssistiveTouch. Then we pick on turn off here. After we pick on the turn off icon, we will be directly to this screen who has a slider on the top of the screen with the text slide to power off. To turn off your iPhone is simply just swipe the slider from the left to the right. After you swipe the slider, your phone is already turned it off. That's it. That's how you're turning off your iPhone with AssistiveTouch. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, tricks, and tutorial. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you soon on the next video. Bye!